installation of common hardware and the correct storage of optical cables. First of all, we will introduce installation of the tension section and the pre-twisted wire at the turn. In the video, the hardware installation personnel are shown on the ground using the winding method of the pre-twisted wire. First, separate the pre-stranded wire, and with the cooperation of two people, bind the pre-stranded wire to the optical cable. Next, we will introduce the installation of pre-stranded wire on the communication pole. Install the pre-twisted wire according to the method shown on the ground. After tightening the optical cable with a cable tightener, tensioner, pay attention to maintain a certain arc during the tightening process. Prevent the running tension of optical cables from being higher than the technical specification. Fix the pre-stranded wire to the mounting point of the communication pole. Then the pre-stranded wire is twisted into the optical cable. Next, we will introduce the draping installation for fitting in the straight section. Pre-select and combine the fittings on the ground, such as the non-hanging point on the communication pole. Therefore, it is required to fix the hoop properly at the proper height of the communication pole to make the hanging point of the draping fixture in the straight line segment. Install the cable in the suspension after the cable is tightly connected, and fasten them with tools. The connector box is fixed horizontally on the steel strand or vertically on the communication pole, according to the design. In the picture, we will see that the junction box is fixed horizontally on the steel strand at the corner, according to the design requirements, leaving the remaining cable neatly on the cable tray. The optical cable tray should be fully removed, and the static bending radius of the optical cable should be more than 10 times the diameter of the optical cable. Measure the x-axis and the y-axis of the